Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie. Welcome to Club Foodie. I enjoy cooking with chicken, as well as with pork, tenderloin, roast, chops, shoulder, and so on. This feature recipe was one of the first creations I came up with. To my surprise, it turned out extremely good, and I've been making it ever since. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Pork Chops Diablo. This is a dish that has so many flavors. The chops are cooked in a slightly sweet tomato sauce with a lemony taste in the background. That perfect comfort food to enjoy this winter. So my friends, let's get cooking. First thing we'll do is to season the pork chops on both sides with freshly ground black pepper and hot paprika, just a little, not too much, as well as ground sea salt. Next, in a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add oil. When it's hot, working in batches, we'll place the chops and cook until brown, about 3 minutes per side. When they're done, we'll transfer them to a plate while we start the sauce and remove the fat from the pan with paper towel. So we'll pour in chicken broth along with Worcestershire sauce, brown sugar, and tomato paste. We'll whisk the ingredients very well until they are nicely blended together. We'll return the pork chops back to the pan and spoon some sauce over. We'll cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and cook for 45 minutes. We're not going to walk away from it because through the cooking period, we'll flip them over a couple times, spooning sauce over to keep them moist. Now, about 15 minutes before the cooking time is over, we'll place 1 slice of lemon per chop and we'll spoon more sauce over. Then we'll gently press down on the lemon slices to extract some juice. We'll cover and let them cook for the remaining time, but it doesn't hurt to press down on the lemon slices a couple more times during the last 15 minutes, basting as well. We'll serve them with mashed potatoes and steamed vegetables. And my friends, this is our Pork Chop Diablo. A tasty combination of ingredients makes these pork chops so yummy. The blend of sweet, sour, and spice delivers a distinctive flavor to this dish. So next time you're looking for a new pork chop recipe, this is the one. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!